video I'm showing you how to make baked chocolate tart. How pretty does it look? And of course, here's me trying some. So silky smooth and so chocolatey. Pre-make your chocolate tart shells. I have a reel on my favorite pastry base. Just follow that video. You're going to bake your tart shells 12 minutes, 180 degrees. Once you've done that, you're going to make the chocolate filling. To do that, you will need 225 grams of chocolate, 2 eggs, vanilla essence, half a cup of cream, 54 grams of butter, 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Add your butter and cream and bring that to a boil. Once heated, pour it over the chocolate like you're making ganache. Then you're going to add your sugar. At this point, you would add your half a cup of coffee, hot coffee if you'd like to. Also add that, but that's optional. Then you're going to add your 2 whisked eggs and vanilla essence. Give that a mix. Once all mixed, you're going to pour in your tart shells. You're going to bake for about 35 minutes or until firm. Then you're going to add to the fridge and let it cool completely to let the chocolate set up. I garnished mine with cream, chantilly cream and some blueberries. There's a little close-up. Give it a go. Let me know how you go. Cheers, guys.